Trong cho mấy các bạn cho tiết à lại chơi manh tiết à mới tiết lại có tịch tầm mốc ấy mốc lại mốc chơi mốc ấy lại lôi gì mà lại còn chụp điện nam riêng này konnichiwa konnichiwa okay desu ka
You can have a seat over there, please. Okay. Hello, good afternoon.
Look so hot.
Please smile your head for the tall people, please. Okay.
Why just step here? Why just step? Before you step in, I'd like you pay attention. I'd like to introduce. They have their own name and how they are, and how to feed elephant to visit us. So we have about 4 or 5 things different together. And the first thing I'd like to introduce. So this girl, her name Chifa. Oh wow, yes. The second youngest, her age around 38 years old. So her best friend, her partner, her name Sawat. Sawat is a bit older. Her age around 43 or 44 years old. So Chifa and Sawat, they are best friends. They are partner sisters. So don't hold this side to feed them. You must be hold this side. So here is a banana that I just showed you. They mentioned how to feed them. Don't grab like this to feed them. You can do like this.
Wait.
She need more.
Yeah. Yeah. So what? So what? Okay, another way, if you want to pet them, one hand feed, one hand pat like this. But don't have the trunk.
Này mi chai trong ai chô mấy các bạn đây mi chai à lời kỳ miền kiều cho này mà nhám mày
Und dann gibst du ihn näher hin, dass das sitzt, genau.
lỡ sai ni lỡ là mình á xây am tụm sai tụm đầm thay à so Savat call her Savat
Noch ein Stück vor, dass es umschwingen kann einmal, genau. Ui.
Savat, she has a lot of food today.
Yeah.
Angle. Angle. No. Up.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Trường thông thông bắt đầy này.